The cost of a website can vary greatly depending on several factors, such as the size and complexity of the site, the platform it's built on, and the designer's fees. Generally speaking, in Australia, a simple website can cost between $1,000 to $5,000, while a more complex site can cost upwards of $10,000. However, it's essential to keep in mind that these are just estimates. The actual cost of your website will depend on your specific needs and goals. In conclusion, website design is a necessary step in any business's online presence. There are many different aspects to consider when designing a website. Website pricing factors that may affect your price are the skills of the development company, your website requirements, the size of the development company, the size of the team working on your project, whether you are providing all content yourself, the website platform you choose, and much more. We suggest talking to multiple website development companies before deciding.